Welcome. If you've been finding those stories appearing as pop-up notifications on Snapchat a bit too distracting, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to turn off stories and discover pop-up notifications, so you can enjoy a quieter experience on your phone. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen, or in the app drawer. Once you're inside settings, scroll through the list and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Snapchat in the list and tap on it. Once you're on the Snapchat app info page, find and select Notifications. This section controls all the notification settings for Snapchat on your phone. Inside Notifications, you'll see an option labeled Notification Categories. Tap on that. Here, Snapchat neatly organizes different types of notifications, so you can customize what you want to see and hear. Under Public Content, you will find an option called Stories in Discover. This is exactly what controls those stories pop-up notifications you want to stop. Tap on Stories in Discover, and you'll notice a toggle switch labeled Show as Pop-up. Simply toggle this switch off, and that's it. You won't see those stories notifications popping up on your screen anymore. By following these steps, you keep your phone less cluttered and avoid interruptions from Snapchat stories, while still receiving notifications in other available ways if you want to. If you ever want to bring back pop-up notifications, just follow the same path and toggle the option back on. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy Snapchat on your own terms without the constant pop-ups from Discover Stories. Thanks for watching, and happy Snapchatting.